Okay, my dear students, today I am going to discuss an NCERT exemplar problem which is given here. Okay, so now a man is moving along with a conveyor belt here. There is a pseudo force acting on a man in the opposite direction. Okay, in the opposite direction, as a conveyor belt is moving right side with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Therefore, the pseudo force acting on a man is considered to be Fs is equal to mass of a man into acceleration. Mass of a man is given as 65 into acceleration is 1. Therefore, the net force acting on a man is 65 newtons. Okay, so then the second part of the question is he's asking us to find out what should be an acceleration of a belt so that man can continue stationary relative to the belt. So for that, what you have to do is you have to apply the force formula, pseudo force. Here, if you observe in the right side direction, there is a static friction acting on a man as the belt is moving here, which is acting like a driving force on a man, which carries a man towards right side. Okay, so now that is a static friction which is considered to be mu s into mg. You all know that according to Newton's second law, mu s is nothing but m into a, which is mu s into mg. Therefore, mass gets cancelled here. Acceleration is considered to be mu s into g, and mu s is given here as 0.2 and g is taken as 10 here. Therefore, your acceleration is going to be 2 meter per second square. So this is your solution. Thank you very much.